So what you're gonna need is glue gun, scissor, fevicol, wrapping sheet of your choice, shoebox, thermocol, cutter and ruler. Take the lid of the box, cut leaving 1 inch from the corner. Place your box on the sheet. Glue it from the corners, bottom and sides evenly. Take another sheet. Cut for inner part of the box as well as for the sides uncovered. Glue them. This is how it looks. For making partition, heat knife with the help of candle and cut through thermocol. Wrap it in sheet. Now take the lid of the box and spray paint. Cut cellophane and paste it from inside the lid. Now for decoration, I am using glitter lace. Paste with the help of glue gun. Glue partition inside the box depending on your requirement. And we are done!